guys, how are you? Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I'm going to share with you shaving off my undercut down to a 0. So last week, for you guys that tuned in, you saw me and I was outlining my undercut, but honestly I rarely ever even do that because I actually just like to have my hair bald because it looks cooler to me. I love having my white skin up against my dark red hair because I think it looks like edgy and it's vibrant looking. So today I'm gonna shave my undercut here bald. So I already did this side. My hair is sticking to it like little velcros, which was really hard. That's a hard side, but I'll show you guys how I'm going to do this side because I always do it myself pretty well unless someone at work is willing to do it for me or if I can convince my husband to do it. But I'll be doing it today. I'm going to show you guys right now how I shave my undercut. So first thing that you need to do is get your hair up and out of the way because you don't want to have to chance shaving off any of the hairs that you don't want to shave off. Over the time that I've had my undercut, seems like it just keeps getting wider and wider because I keep shaving off bits that I shouldn't, but it's okay because I kind of like it, or I actually really like it a lot of how it is shaped right now. So I have my undercut arcing on both sides from just up around my temple, going straight back down here, and then arcing down just up to about 1 inch above my hairline in the back right there, if you can see it. And it's nice and even in this, just like 1.5 inches wide up here and around here. So what you're gonna wanna do, just to keep these hairs separated from these hairs, is first, so you put it up, and then give your hair just a little spray right around the edges, just to get all those long hairs up this way. And then you can take a little comb and try to pull these hairs down this way, just so that you can get that line sticking out. Can you see that there now? You can see that nice little white line of my scalp through the long hair to the undercut. And then what I'm going to do is with some clips, I'm using these big ones right here. If you don't have them, you could just use a bobby pin or something. Going to push these up and then clip them here up like that. And this way, it's like going to be a lot harder to cut off these long bits because I have them pushed as tightly up to my scalp as possible, showing off the line here and getting a nice separation between the two. So that looks awesome there. So now it's ready to shave it off. And I'm just going to use my little edgers. I have no guard on them at all. And I'm just gonna shave it bald. So get ready, shave it bald. Turn them on. And again, I'm gonna hold these hairs right up like this and shave it off. And I'll go right up as close to the line as I can without cutting the other hairs. And you can definitely get help with this because this is not easy. And then go slow around the corners here. Trying to get as close as I can. And you can use like the little corner in there to get up there. And just be very careful. Oh my God. This is so scary. This is so scary. You can also put like a cape or like a little towel on your body here so that you don't like get hair all over you. Because this is going to be seriously itchy. Oh my gosh. I'm bald again. Yes. Yes. Bald head. Yeah. It's done. Yes. Guys, I feel like I'm myself again. This is who I am. I'm supposed to be half bald. This is the best. Okay, and then you can take these out. And this is me at the back with a nice little point here. And this is me from the front, baldy, bald, my hair going everywhere. And there. How does that look? I hope that you're able to replicate this for yourself. Like I said, this is like hard. I've been doing it myself for a while, so I'm kind of getting better and better each time. But I suggest you get a friend to come and help you, and then just learn how to do it. I have it like a mirror set up here. I have a mirror set up here, and you can, once you learn the mirror, you figure out how to get your hand to go, and then it's going to get a lot easier. So I hope you guys like my bald head and liked watching me do it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please come back next week and let me know in the comments what you think about my hairstyle. My name is Laura. I'm from LP Hair. I really appreciate you stopping by today. Bye.